Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how much does a Shopify store cost. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To know more about Shopify store cost, you can open this web page shopify.com/pricing, and here you can start a 14-day free trial by clicking here, or you can choose a plan between these three options. One is basic, and basic is start from $29 per month, and Shopify business plan starting from $79 per month, and the advanced plan start from $299 per month. And if you want to know more information about these three packages, you can click on show plan features, and here you'll get more details about these three packages. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.